Welcome back, guys. In this video I am going to show you how you can convert your trophies to dark elixir. Okay, so what is the technique? You need to train all the electro dragons. Okay, see, I have put all the electro dragons in the barracks. Okay, and also you can see I have too many elixir, and there is no much need of elixir in for buildings. So I will be using two things. Number one, trophy, which I think it is enough. I have 4700 trophies, and also I have enough elixir to convert it into dark elixir. As you know, guys, because I want to make my royal champions max out. Okay, so what is the technique, guys, here? uh, and I need only 44,000 more to upgrade the royal champions. uh, the technique is I have put all the barracks in boost mode. Okay, and then I will attack. I will choose only those bases where the dark elixir is in the corner, or where the elixir drill is in the corner, and I will use my heroes and electro dragons to uh, destroy that building and loot as much as dark elixir as possible, and then I will surrender, because I don't want to waste my extra troops. Okay, I will show you some live attacks. Okay, it may take some time. Okay, I am pausing, and then once the starting searching is completed, then I will show you. Okay, um, see, guys, in this base there is nothing much to take. Okay, also you can see I am not going to attack this elixir, these buildings, because uh, since the dark elixir of this base is very less, it is quite possible that there will be no dark elixir in the drill. Okay, here also you can see, guys, there is nothing, but I can still loot 2000 dark elixir. Okay, by using my uh, siege machine. See, how can I do? Just I have put this thing, nothing more. See, guys, I have almost collected everything, and then I am doing surrender. See, I have collected 1200 dark elixir. Now let us move to another base. You can see, guys, I have too much dark elixir in this base, and also it is more than 5000. That means the drill will be having too much dark elixir. So let us collect the from drill by using electro dragon and one red spell. Okay, you can see, guys, I have collected almost 6000. Now let us put my siege machine. And king. You can see, guys, I have almost collected 7000 dark elixir by this attack. See, guys, here also you can see the drills are in one side and elixir storage in another side. So I will be using my king to take down this area, and siege machine to take down this dark elixir. Okay, so let me deploy. Okay, I have collected enough. Now I'm using my king. I have tapped the king's ability too early to take down as much as possible elixirs. Okay, and 3000 elixirs I have collected. Not bad. Now side by side I have to make that my troops does not get empty. So I will be uh, keeping all the things in training mode. Okay, hope you have liked this video, guys. Also, one more thing, I will be showing how you can use only heroes to make, okay, to make more and more dark elixir. Okay, so in that manner you will be converting only uh, trophies to dark elixir. See guys, so here I have almost 6000 dark elixir in this base, and uh, okay, let me show you how you can use your only your heroes to take down this elixir. Okay, so what you have to do, put your queen and tap its ability, or use your Grand Warden and trap its ability, or you can do both. For example, I may use Grand Warden here, okay, so that it may take down this drill. Then I will use Queen and trap its ability. I am doing surrendered. Okay, you can see I have collected 4500 elixir very easily without hampering anything. See, my heroes are almost in the full health, and without any waste I have collected the elixir. Hope you have liked this video, guys. Meet you in next video.